everyone, welcome back to RTM Carnatic. Today we will be diving into the world of Janta Varasai with Aakarams at 3 different speeds. So what is Janta Varasai? Janta Varasai are pairs of swaras that are usually sung 2 times in each phrase like sa, sa, re, etc. Similarly, Aakaram also follows the same pattern. In Janta Varasai, while singing, the second swar should always be sung with a stress on it. For example, sa, sa. So, let's get started with the first speed of Janta Varasai with Aakaras. Sa, sa, re, ga, ga, ma, pa, pa, da, da, ni, sa, sa, ni, da, da, pa, ma, ga, re, sa, Now, let's move on to the second speed. Sa, sa, re, ga, ga, ma, pa, pa, da, da, ni, sa, ni, da, da, pa, ma, ga, re, sa, And finally, we'll see the third speed. Sa, sa, re, ga, ga, ma, pa, pa, da, da, ni, sa, ni, da, da, pa, ma, ga, re, sa, It's important to push yourself and practice regularly to master these patterns. I hope you found this video helpful in understanding Janta Varasai with Aakaras at different speeds. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more such tutorials and updates. Remember to practice regularly and use these points to enhance your Carnatic singing skills. Thank you for watching.